Hey everyone, this is Macy Taran from Sparkling Memories. Today we're actually in Home Depot. We've been a few places trying to find a face mask and they seem to be out everywhere. So, how cool is that? Tool rental and it has truck rental right here in Home Depot. Who would have known? We have those large projects and don't have a truck, you can actually rent it in order to get the big jobs done. This will be the cotton area of the store, and we're actually in the building material section, and that's their delivery section over here. Home Depot, that's where it's at. When you need those things done, you want to do your own DIY in your house and you're handy with tools. Of course, they have some water and sale. Wow, that's kind of cheap. About $3 a case. As to how many? 24. Always gotta practice social distances because it's very important to keep yourself safe. Just trying to find a particular aisle. Okay, so over here is the plumbing. The fitting and tool stuff. Well, definitely handyman, no handy lady paradise, that's for sure. With the amount of stuff you can actually do.
Hey, Mike. I'm sorry.
Yeah. I only need certain things on here. I was hoping to get paper towel or toilet paper, but I'm not sure where that section is because I've tried Walmart and having to go to the dollar store or something. Because I need to get some kind of cleaning supplies because Walmart shelves are just empty. Couldn't do much over there besides buying the basic food stuff that I actually stock up on. Let's see, restrooms, decor, lighting, floor, electric. Over here there's bath, door, windows, building, lumber. So I have to come back to see if I can find that section. Oh my goodness, look at this. Custom home organization, design and installation. How awesome is that if you want to get a closet that's organized? Loving that. And then it says, call today to schedule a free in-home consultation. So that's 800 Home Depot. You can visit homedepot.com. Storage, install. Okay, so let me get back to where I was looking for. I'm actually trying to find some cleaning supplies, whether it be some all-purpose clearing, maybe scrubbing bubbles, things of that nature. This side look like the clearance aisle, so I probably don't have the cleaning stuff. Is the cleaning stuff down this way? In here? Okay. Oh, finally, cleaning section. Finally, got it. Oh boy. And as you can see, some of the shelves are still very much empty. Kind of were expecting that. Okay. Scrubbing bubbles. There we go. Bathroom grime and fighter. This is something I actually need. So one is rain shower, the other one is citrus. Not bad. $3.58. And I also have this spray. That's $3.48. Which one you think better, hon? This one or the next one? Huh? The spray? The 2-pack. Yeah, you'll be alright. Of course, you have air fresheners right along here too. I wonder if these even work. So these are the little gel things you have. odor absorbing gels. I don't think I ever used those. And I kind of don't need Febreze right now because I'm fully stocked with that. Oh, they have car air fresheners. That's cool. They have a 2-pack. So that's nice. And these scented candle stuff. I think I already have a whole lot of that. So that's not something I'm beginning today. I'm going to get scrubbing bubbles things. So I think that's one more thing I gotta get from Home Depot, just this. So I'm gonna have to head back to the front so I can do the rest in terms of getting these items and out of here. If you notice, in these aisles there's like 2 or 3 people. So if you need other things besides toilet paper or paper towel, you can always shop at Home Depot. Because Home Depot barely have anybody in here. And they seem to have cleaning supplies, but not a whole lot. It's just a suggestion if you're looking to do that. Besides just getting Clorox, maybe you want to get something else for cleaning, then you could do such. Now, I'm just trying to get to the front. To the front, I can actually cash out. Cash out and get out of Home Depot. Oh, they have some big rugs in here too, boy. Look at this. This is a lay foam thing. I guess it's for the kids, a lay playroom thing. That's pretty cool. Home Depot one-stop shop. You come inside here and get things for your house. Depending on what you buy, you could get it on a good deal, especially if you buy things in bulk. If you don't need anything, at least come in and see what they have, because you never know. If you check out Walmart and Target, you just might find it in Home Depot. Home Depot is a place you can get a lot of stuff. And they have self-checkout for those who want to do that themselves. I'm going to bypass that self-checkout. Looking kind of long for me. So I'm going to go somewhere where someone can cash me out with my one item. But I also like these little buckets that I have too. Versatile, plus they come with a cover. So until next time, this is Mr. Rambling Sparkling Memories. Bye-bye.